Welcome back. I'm not a big video gamer, but I had a video game company at some point in my life, and I'm still interested in video game consoles and games and the market and stuff. And I found this on, I think, Amazon for 45 euros, which equates to about $45. And this is a mix of a Lego set and a game console. So this is not a sticker, this is a real game console, and you can create 4 different varieties or versions of this. There's your Game Boy SP version, which is the snapper. You have the Game Boy style, the whatever you call that, stereo home system, and your TV plus console plus joypad thingy. So my son and I are going to build one of these, and yeah, I will show you the result. So here's what's inside the box. We have the bricks, which look a lot like Lego bricks. We have the manual in different languages. We have, I think these are the building instructions for at least one of the systems. I know, it's actually building instructions for all of the systems. Oh, that's very compact. Okay. And we have these two things, which is the screen, which needs batteries. I will have to put batteries in here. And that would be, I think, a 2-inch screen. 2.4 inch it is. And the controller, which is actual remote. I think it comes with a battery. Should be in here. And it should have 200 game classics inside and 199 bricks. Yeah, so let's check it out. So here's what we built. We have this TV-esque thing, which just sits on top of this little stand, which is very shaky. This just Lego bricks, no function, because the whole machine is inside this little monitor here, which is down here. You have a spot here to switch it on, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. And we have this controller thingy, which has a CR2032 inside, and yeah, I can switch it on here. So let's do that. Let's switch this on, which we need a screwdriver for, because my fingers are too fat to reach this. So here you can see the screen. Let me try to hold this both. Yeah, and if you're wondering what are the games on this thing, it's just shit. It's all just some crapware. I don't know where they got these games. Look like they stole these from some kids who tried some basic programs. Yeah, there's nothing remotely interesting. The screen looks nice though. Try to get this on camera. Yeah, and the speaker is on the back of the screen, so yeah, it's pretty much blocked from these bricks here. Let me get this out. You will see that it gets louder immediately. Yeah, that was a great move. Yeah, so you can play this game. no idea what this is. That was reset. Great. Yeah, so can I recommend this? No. I'm tempted to keep it just to try to make something else out of it, but I don't even know what to do with it. You know what? Let's open it up and take a look inside. Okay, let's start with the controller. There's the battery in here. There it is. And it's actually held in by 6 screws. Wow, that is a lot of screws for that little thingy here. I wonder if this is just a normal game controller and this has some kind of USB module to receive the signals. The lag is pretty low, I think. So here we go. There is not much to see. Some nondescript piece. Looks like a crystal. Some wobbly dobbly thingies here. Yeah, don't know what to make of this. And it is a two-parter, so yeah. Let's put this back together somehow. I think the much more interesting part to see will be this. I hope. But I'm almost afraid that it's just one black blob of yeah, plastic, and there's not much to make out. But we will see. At least it has a screen. It back. So let's see. The most heft, I think, comes from these 3 batteries I put in here. If you could put your own games onto this, this would be a different story. And if this would at least have some power to play, say, Nintendo games or something like this, this would actually be interesting. But as it is now, it's not. Oh, okay, there's really not much in here. Wow, that is even less than I expected. Let's take a look. So we have a 30RSX6101D10 from 2021. And there's an IC missing. And there's a speaker, tabs for the battery. And here is the screen, which is connected with this little ribbon cable here. I'm not sure if this could work with a Raspberry Pi, but it would be a very expensive 2.4-inch screen for that price. So this is held in with just one screw. Oh, it all comes out now. Yay. So yeah, there's our black blob of pointlessness and all non-descriptive stuff. Can't read what that says. I assume that this is the receiver for the controller. So the screen is a FPC TF24CG018 and it's just held in with this ribbon cable. Okay, so there's not much to see here. Let's put this back together because this is just pointless. So would I recommend this? The answer is no. It's just not any good. The components in here may be, I don't know, 20 euros. The bricks are okay, but the games are shitty. If there would be some kind of Nintendo emulation, that would be interesting, but as it stands, it's just crap. So I'm sorry, but no, don't buy this.
Thank you for watching Retro is the New Black. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you like the video, please share. Every like, share, and comment helps a lot. Until next time, bye-bye.